Vulnerability is not the exposure of weakness, but rather it's our greatest opportunity for growth. We have not because we ask not. We ask not because we're afraid that we're going to look stupid. And our fear of looking dumb causes us to be ignorantly arrogant. And solving problems takes 3 times as long as it needs to. Because we should have just said, I need help. I would ask you to ask yourself, as a human, what do you need? Not what could you use. You, the person. What do you need? Oh man, we're up 40% year over year, baby. I don't need anything. Shut up. What do you need? Whenever you travel back home, I would encourage you to sit with yourself on the plane. Think about that question. Ask yourself, is there somebody that you met here that might be able to solve that for you? I bet the answer is yes. But I want to show you what I mean by values. I'm going to show you what I mean by how, what they can actually tell us about us. So, as we did before, I need a volunteer, someone who's willing to stand up, tell us your name, and tell us your 5 core values, and then you and I are going to play a little game together really quick. Yes, ma'am, go ahead. Stand up, please, yes. And talk extra. Oh, you got a mic coming, don't say it yet. Give her a round of applause while we wait.
Hello, my name is Florencia, and my 5 values are determination, openness, excellence, free thinking, and grateful.
Great. Can I borrow your paper you have them written down? Okay. Determination, openness, excellence, free thinking, and grateful. Correct?